While one side of the mountain, trucks and caterpillars are extracting the precious soil which contains gold, the other one is flourishing under green fields of hemp. In the small community of Hanonu, the beautiful and unique golden long fiber of hemp is still made by hand.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
The remote village is located in the Black Sea region of Turkey, and the women and men of the village are actively engaging in the elaborate process of extracting the fiber and making beautiful artifacts from it. Ahmed and Selami are breaking the stems by hand to pull off the field-retted fiber in long lines. Now Ahmed is combing the long fiber over large metal pins in the shadow of the workshop. Meanwhile, Fatma Musayan and Aishi are tying the spun hemp yarn into beautiful traditional Turkish carpets while sitting inside and chatting to each other. Aishi, who you see on this image, is proud to be part of the community which is keeping alive this ancient knowledge of how to make the golden Turkish hemp fiber.